Hi, it's Kim here from the Timeslip Simulator. Today we're just going to run through the Timeslip entry screen. So here we have a basic Timeslip entered. You have the left lane and you have the right lane. You can change the vehicle type by clicking on the button here. You can cycle through dragster, door car and junior dragster. Same with the right lane. If you want to clear the Timeslip, you can press the clear button. And then you can start entering your Timeslip details. All you do is click in the field and then you can hit the backspace key and then enter your dial in, for example, so 6.5 seconds, and then you can fill in the rest of the details just by entering them in with your keyboard and just click on each field. You can also tab between each field, so if I can tab like this, and that moves quickly between each field. Down the bottom here we have the navigation buttons, so you can move to each Timeslip. So if I press next, we go to the second Timeslip, third, fourth, fifth, and we can go backwards as well. If you want to save your Timeslip, you just click save. Looking over here to the right, you have the race type, so dial your own index or heads up. You can change the race distance, 660, 1320 or 1000 feet. You can also change the tree speed, 0.5 or 0.4, and you can change the tree type, which is full tree or pro tree. Once you've entered your Timeslip details, if you want to run your race, you just press the simulate button.